I just got done editing the video that I thought I was going to be putting up today. Yesterday, you guys saw our road trip down to St. George. We had the greatest time. I think we all woke up and we were texting each other and we were like, this is the greatest weekend. We don't want to start work off. We love you guys so much. And it was just like back and forth, like we just had the best refresh weekend ever. So then I'm sitting here editing the baby blessing vlog, which is why we went down there, and it dawned on me. I was like, Bonnie, you cannot post the baby blessing vlog until after Ellie and Jared post their own baby blessing vlog. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. I was overwhelmed and captivated by the glorious weekend. That's what happened. I was drunk on family party. That's what happened. So here's what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna post the baby vlog today. What was I thinking? We're not gonna post that today. But today, do you wanna know what I'm doing? I'm playing catch up. I'm playing catch up, and I know that I always say I'm doing emails. Okay, well what? Bonnie, what are you doing in your emails? I'll tell you what I'm doing today. Today I have to come up with content ideas for a brand for 3 separate reels. And it is not just coming up with the content ideas. For me, it's so easy to come up with a content idea, but you have to do it within the guidelines of their talking points. That's where my brain struggles and stretches, and you know, then it's just, there's a lot to it. So I've been sitting here and I have most of it down, but my brain needs a break, which is when I'm like, oh yeah, you need to have a vlog for Tuesday. So, you know, you're not going to get a regular vlog, because even though I'm sitting here smiling and being peppy, I have a wicked headache. When my kids came in to wake me up this morning, Boston was like, Mom, I don't feel good. And I was like, yeah, I know, I don't feel good either. We're just tired. And he's like, do I have to go to school? And then we're all sitting there on the bed. Joel slept in, which he hardly ever does. Slept in as in it was like 6:45. He's usually gone by 6. So it was 6:45 and I'm like, are we sick? Are we just tired from the long road trip? Like my body hurt. And I was like, does my body hurt because we slept in hotel bed? Or do we just have headaches because we ate sugar the whole drive down, sugar the whole way back, and had like sodas over the weekend? Do you know what I mean? We have been around a lot of people. We did travel going in and out of gas stations. So did we get sick from our road trip? Did we get sick from being around family? Or are we just like hungover? Like food hangover. Now family withdrawal hungover. I don't know. It's honestly too soon to tell. It's too soon to tell, and this is what you're going to get for the vlog today. I have laundry to do. I have a house to pick up. I have food to prep for dinner for the week. I have like deadlines that I have to submit things by, and help Joel with all the questions he needs for the house. So, you know, this is just what you're going to get, because this is all I've got. This is all I've got for you. Doesn't take away how much I love you though, because I do.